Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. I've done this analysis the past few days, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very, very nice movement, certainly some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, though, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update to keep an eye on, though, is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support, and you want to see them act as support. I mean, that's exactly what happened here. If I was writing a textbook right now and looking for a pattern, this is a perfect example of it. So you can see right there is where that level was broken. At that point, you would have wanted to see it act as support. And then the very next candle, support. More support. So right there, $1.95 is that level that, like I said, you would want to see act as support, and it did a great job. With all that being said, it's not like if the price actually breaks below $1.95, then that all of a sudden implies the entire chart's destroyed. Nothing like that, but that's certainly the preferable level. I mean, if the price can continue to hold above there, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. From the overarching standpoint, continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line's just going to keep on moving higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. And then as far as levels of resistance, I mean, they really just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, which is right here. Just building those higher bases, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.